Are you getting the frustrating, the recipient's account is unable to accept payments error on Cash App? Don't worry, you're not alone, and this quick guide will walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss the key setting that most people overlook. First, understand that this error usually happens on the recipient's side, not yours. That means their account settings are probably blocking incoming payments. Step 1, ask the recipient to check their security and privacy settings inside Cash App. Here's how. Open Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Security and Privacy. Make sure these two options are turned on. Allow others to request money from me. This lets people send them payment requests. Allow others to find me at their cash tag. This makes their account discoverable so you can send them money. Many times, simply enabling these settings instantly solves the problem. If those settings are already correct and the issue still happens, it's time for step 2. Contact Cash App Support. The recipient should go back into their profile, scroll down, and select Support. Use the in-app chat to explain the problem. Cash App can check their account from the back end and remove any blocks or restrictions that might be preventing payments. And that's it. In most cases, fixing those privacy settings will get the payment through, and if not, Cash App Support will handle the rest. If this video helped you solve the problem, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Cash App tips, and share this video with anyone still struggling with this error.